This is question 10 part C. We have a scale drawing showing the area where he's staying, and we have the hotel, we have the car hire depot, we have a scale for the map, and we also know which direction north is. We have to measure the bearing of the car hire depot from the hotel. What we need to do is we need to draw in a line between the two places, and we need to draw in the north line, which should be parallel to this one. A bearing is the rotation in a clockwise direction from the north line. So you put your protractor on, putting your crosshairs on the starting point and getting your 0 degree lined up with the north line. And then if we were facing north, how many degrees would we have to turn to be facing in the direction of the car hire depot? Well, we're going to need to extend that line a little bit so it crosses our protractor scale. Make sure everything's positioned and lined up correctly. And we get a bearing of 145 degrees. And bearings should always be 3 digits. So if your bearing was off that way somewhere, you'd write 040 degrees. What is the real distance from the car hire depot to the hotel? Well, on the map, the distance from the car hire depot to the hotel is around about 4.3 centimeters. Every centimeter on the map represents 4 kilometers in real life. So we have 4.3 times 4. We have 17.2 kilometers. And then finally, Edward's going to visit the cathedral. The cathedral is 30 kilometers. It's on a bearing of 285 degrees from the hotel. Mark the position of the cathedral on the diagram. Okay, so first of all, the 30 kilometers, if every 4 kilometers is 1 centimeter, we need to know how many lots of 4 are in 30, which is a division. So we need a 7.5 centimeter line. And the other thing we need to do is we need to get the direction right. The bearing is 285 degrees. So from the hotel, as we're facing north, we need to rotate 285 degrees, and the cathedral is in that direction. Now your protractor only measures up to 180 degrees. It doesn't go around to 285. But if you know a full rotation is 360 degrees, 285 is somewhere around here. The difference between 360 and 285 is the size that this angle must be. 360 take away 285 is 75. So going 285 degrees in a clockwise direction is the same as going 75 degrees in an anti-clockwise direction. So we can just measure this time 75 degrees. And we need a line which is 7.5 centimeters long. So the cathedral is here. Be as accurate as you can. You do get some tolerance. You're allowed to be a couple of millimeters out and a couple of degrees out, but take your time and measure carefully.